You just found the 2021 Hyundai Tucson. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 10,000 miles on the odometer. Give yourself the quality and comfort you deserve with this refined Hyundai Tucson. Meticulously constructed, smooth riding, and equipped with standard driver assist safety features, this compact crossover has what you need to get the most out of every drive. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, fog lamps, lane keeping assist, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, daytime running lights. Quality blends beautifully with convenience in this remarkably well-designed Tucson. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.